What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want with your money. That out of the way, let's take a sip of coffee from my Caspa Maxi mug. Everything, everything tastes better with Caspa. Okay, what we're talking about today is something that is pretty obvious. I see it on the internet there. A lot of people think it's gonna be no, Casper cannot hit $10. Casper is only gonna be like $1 or $2 or something like that. So that is what we're going to talk about today in this video. But before that, to tell you, well, let's see what the market has been doing. Let's see how the price has been reacting. Because like me watching the charts, I can tell you, I told you so. I can tell you that I told you so, and I give you the signals as always. It's not financial advice. You can choose to follow or not to follow, but what we do at this millionaire journey, where we are going from zero to millionaire status, is we share information. Okay, I will not ask you to join my Discord or my Telegram or whatever. No, I'm not going to do that. I give you the signals right here. You choose either to follow up on them or ignore. It's up to you. Like I said, I'm only looking for people who are like-minded individuals, people that are going to be with me in this journey. Oh, sorry about that. People who are going to be with me in this journey. We are trying to go from zero to millionaire status. Okay, so that being said, let's check on the price of the crypto market today, especially Caspa. Okay, I like to start, like as always, let's look at the crypto bubbles, how everything is going. Bubbles right here. It's pretty green today. Okay, the dog coins are doing them. Everybody's like, whoa. Breath. Ay, those dog coins. Well, you must have really I don't know, some kind of nerves to invest in these meme coins. But yeah, you can make quick money from them if you know what you're doing. I'm too like I can't keep up with them. You can see sheep is up today $4, bread is up 11 cents, sorry. Pepe is up. I mean, the dog coins they have started to go, and also some financial coins. You see Beef Network, a project I spoke of a couple videos ago. I told you guys about Beef Network. There is Tao, there is Crow. I mean, there is Sui. Sui is also another layer one that is also started to move up forward. But hey, we are here for Caspa, so let's look at Caspa today. KAS, which is King Caspa, as I always call it. In the past hour, Caspa is up 1.2%. Daily, we are down 0.1%, which is normal. I will explain why in a couple of seconds. Weekly, as you can see, we are up 30%. Monthly, we are up 62%. And the most important part, the yearly, we are up 1100%. Do you see what I'm talking about? I mean, the writing is on the wall. Do you see what I'm talking about? Yearly. Just 5 months into the year, we're already 1100%. I keep saying it. Like you really have to be into this thing to understand it. The amount of research I've done on it, and I'm telling you guys, this thing is going to $10. Okay? If it doesn't get there, we're going to fall really, really close to it. This thing is going to $10. So that being said, let's look at trading views, because I want to show you the price. I told you it's going to happen, and it's happening just like I said it was going to happen. So let's look at trading view right quick. Trading view right here. Open up. Let me find my Caspa trade, which is very amazing how it is happening. Okay, this is the hourly. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, probably on the 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour, like clockwork. No, let's start with the 1 hour first. That way it makes more sense when I start from the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour, I was telling you guys a couple of, like yesterday's video, day before yesterday's video, I told you guys we formed this diamond pattern. on the 1 hour. You see we touch multiple places of it. Let me bring out my arrow. It's very bullish because hey, we are trading above the 200 moving average. We had this resistance, we broke it, as you can see, with so much force. We broke it and started going up. Met the next resistance, which was the all-time high. I think we went right into it, got rejected. But this is where it all started again. Like I always tell you guys, before a move, there is also, like before a trade, there is a before price and after price. So as you can see, the before price, which is the all-time high, that got rejected. Okay, and I told you guys, if you want to get into the trade, you have to wait for it to cool down, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. So we were bouncing in this diamond, as you can see, and these diamonds, they are 80% bullish patterns. It's a continuation pattern. That's what's going to happen. So what I'm saying about is, like, you see that the pattern that is forming right there, what's going to happen is, like, they always, like, they're going to meet their target, and the target for the diamond pattern that broke out is around 22 or 23 cents. Okay, but we already know Caspa. Caspa always jumps higher than that. So I think it's going to go to 25 cents. And then the ecosystem is going to blow up and start coming, like projects start coming on, which I'm also explaining to you in a minute. That will probably take Caspa to 30 cents. Okay, 30 cents on a dollar, as you can see. But like I told you guys yesterday, I said, you got to wait, okay? You've got to wait for price to come and retest. Price will go up, yeah. But you gotta wait. If you want to enter a trade, you have to wait for that retest, for it to come and retest the previous resistance. We turn it into a support. As you can see right here, that's exactly what it is doing right now. Okay, see, price broke out. We retested the all-time high right here. Price broke out. We went up all to 19, almost 20 cents. Now it's coming back to retest. Can you see that? It is retesting the previous all-time high, which is laying right across it. Price breaks up, it always comes back to retest. After retesting, now we are going to see it starts to run, or they start to run all to the races. Like I said, the measurement move for this is 22 cents, but you can't really keep Caspa that low. I know Caspa is going to go 25 cents. Now with the smart contract launching sometime this month, we are going to see Caspa go up to even higher, way higher than that, probably 30 cents. Like I was saying, once the ecosystem start to grow, it is not even uncommon for us to see Caspa, okay, excuse me. I mean, with the ecosystem starts to grow, it's not uncommon for us to see Caspa to that 60 or even 70 cents in the upcoming 2-3 months, because this thing is gonna rip it off. But for this move right now, it's already been confirmed. Like I just showed you, it's been confirmed. The diamond pattern is gonna break. It already broke above, came back, is retesting right now the previous resistance. Is turning it into a support. Then we're gonna bounce from there and go up. Now, in this millionaire journey, we make money in any way we can, because we're trying to grow. We can do your normal job, 9 to 5, get paid for it, which somebody like me, I really hate that. But hey, it's a step forward. Okay, you can leverage trade coins. Okay, you can leverage trade them. You find a very good one, like Caspa is a very good coin to trade, to leverage trade. Or you can also buy them on spot. If you want to go a step further, you can mine them, like buy miners and set them at home or something like that. Then you start mining. But hey, like I say, it's not a financial advice. You can do whatever you like. I am always showing you guys everything I do. Not like a lot of people over there that preach one thing and then do another thing. No, I always show you guys everything I do, because this is a journey that we are all going together. That being said, I do have a Phemex and Bydfi links below. Please do not go to leverage trading any assets if you don't have experience, if you don't know what you're doing, because you're going to lose your money. Okay, leverage trading for people who don't know what they're doing is a hot first-class ticket to wreck city. You're going to lose your money. Okay, but if you know what you're doing, Okay, if you are comfortable, sorry, this thing keeps doing this. If you know what you're doing, then yes, click on the links below, join, get the trading volume. I know Bydfi is giving $3,000 or something like that in bonuses. Phemex is also giving that the bonuses on that. Once you get on that, you can either follow my trades, or you can follow somebody else, or you can just do you, follow your instincts. The most important part is for you to make money, not to lose it. Okay, understand that part first. So that being said, as I'm always transparent, I'm gonna show you guys my trades. Okay, those trades that I said I plan to keep open. Nobody knows when the top of the bull run is going to be, but I'm trying to keep them as long as possible to make more, more gains, more money from it. Okay, so let's start with first with my DeFi. My Bydfi here. As you guys can see, we're still, since the Caspa is going sideways, I'm still over there. My PNL and overall, I'm still over there at $33,000, which is still pretty good from where I started. I started growing this account at 1,500. That's where I started growing it from. So looking at the contracts we have here, Ondo Finance. Like I told you guys, I use Ondo Finance to make the trades, and also to use the extra cash I get from it to scale up my positions. So I closed it the other day, and the money I got from it, I scale up my Jasmine trade, and also scale up my Caspa trade, and also left some of it for the fees. And now I just opened another trade on it. So you see, as you can see right there, I just opened a trade on it. I know this, if you look at Ondo Finance trades charts, they are showing that Ondo, I think, is going to go up to probably $1.50 or $2. That's what it is gearing up for. I do have my Quant trade. Quant is going sideways, which is also good. Like I said, Quant, guys, I will make a video about it and I'll upload it. Quant is getting ready for something big. This is not the video for it, but I'll upload it and I will explain in details. Okay, so this is a video for Caspa. So let's go back to Caspa right now. Also, you can see my Jasmine trade, which is doing pretty good. On my Jasmine trade, I'm up 195%, as you can see right there, 195%. That is pretty good. I plan to keep it open, guys. When I close it, I will show you, and I will also let you know the most important one today, Caspa. There you go. That's my Caspa trade right there. I am up 170%. Like I said, I plan to keep it open. Let's see how much we can make out of it. $500,000, 1 million, who knows? So I will just keep on scaling it up and go to the maximum, try to max it out. So that's that for that. Let's go to my other trading account, which is on Phemex. Phemex. There you go. This is my Phemex. Okay, open it up. Phemex is started to do pretty good too, because like most of you who knows, I started growing this account. I started it like less than a month ago, close to a month, something like that. And now, as you can see, my overall, we are almost $7,000, almost $8,000. Like yesterday, it was blowing. Okay, if I go to my contracts, all my contracts here, you can see Jasmine, which is, like I said, is doing pretty good too. I'm up 316% on my Jasmine trade, and on my Caspa trade on Phemex, I'm up 223%. See, so I always tell you what I do. Okay, it's not. I always show you guys everything I do. I try to be as transparent as possible. Okay, I don't preach one thing then do another thing. I don't think that is good for anybody. I believe being honest is a better way to deal with something. Okay, like I said, this is my millionaire journey, which I invite you to follow. Okay, I invite you to follow. Let's go from zero to a millionaire status. Okay, that way, it's always a good feeling when a group of people achieve something. Okay, so now, like I said, let's go talk about this $10 Caspa price. I was watching the other guy one day, which is say at $1 he's going to sell everything that he has on Caspa, which is okay. Understand? It's normal. You can do whatever you want. It's because nobody has to tell you. It's not financial advice. You know, you can do whatever you like. Oh, excuse me just a second. You can do whatever you like with your money. But here's the thing. The point is for you to make money, right? But what if Caspa goes to $10 and you sold all your bag at $1? Yeah, you feel good, you make some money. Let's say if you have 10,000 Caspa, like I always say, you gotta get at least 10,000 Caspa. At $1, you sell 10,000, you got $10,000. Then Caspa rips it, goes to $10. How would you feel about that? That's a question that most people are not answering. Everything is written on the wall for Caspa. Everything is written on the wall. Cardano, which most people usually compare it to, which sometimes it kind of pisses me off, because Cardano is nothing compared to Caspa. Caspa, the only thing, even Bitcoin cannot sit on the same table with Caspa. Okay? Oh, come on. Even Bitcoin cannot sit on the same table as Caspa. Because when it comes to speed, Caspa is faster. Is it storing of value? Caspa stores value. Yeah. Those of you who did not know, the same thing Bitcoin does, Caspa does. Is it scalable? Caspa is scalable. Even more scalable than Bitcoin. Is it decentralization? Caspa is more decentralized than Bitcoin. Is it security? Caspa is more secure than Bitcoin. So, I keep saying it and I will maintain it. Caspa is better than Bitcoin in all angles. The only thing, like I will say again, the only thing that I could choose that is a Bitcoin beats Caspa is the supply. Because Bitcoin only have 21 million coins. That's it. It's the supply. Other than that, Caspa is better in everything, in every angle than Bitcoin. That's my take. You can have your take, which again, I respect. Now, let's go back to the topic. I believe Caspa will get to $10 this run. If you go into the Casplex announcements, you will see that Casplex, they're already having over probably 400, I think it was 350 or 400 projects that are waiting for the smart contracts to launch. And that is something that it might happen tomorrow, it might happen next week, but it's going to happen this month. We know it's happening this month. The smart contracts are coming on. We have a listing, tier 1 exchange listing. Okay, if we go to the numbers, okay, let me show you the number first before we continue. Let's see, go to the website. I'm going to refresh like we always do. Okay, we are trading price is trading at 18 cents. Well, you know, like I tell you, it's coming back to retest the all-time high from to make it support. Trading at 18 cents with a market cap of $4.3 billion. Guys, look at how fast that market cap grew. $4.3 billion. Let's go to what I always show you guys, the hash rate. I always tell you guys, price follows hash rate. Okay, if you look, the white line is the price and the blue line is the hash rate. If you remember yesterday, I was telling you guys that look at that, the price was going to shoot. They play tag along. As you can see right there, they are right now. Look at that. You can see right there. Price is trying to go above, and which is going to catch up, and then the hash rate will try to catch up with the price. They do that tag along every time. So yeah, price always follows the hash rate. Okay. Now let's go back again, and I'll show you another metric like we always check every day. Addresses holding more than 10,000 Caspa, which is probably $1,500 or $1,600. I don't know how much it is right now. You need to calculate it yourself, but you need 10,000 Caspa. This is not rocket science. You need minimum 10,000 Caspa if you just want to make some money. But if you want to change your life, you need to increase that bag. That bag needs to be higher. It needs to be higher, but minimum you need for Caspa, I keep preaching this, just 10,000 Caspa. Trust me, because if Caspa goes to $10, like I'm explaining, you will make $100,000. That you can use to reinvest in the next bull run, or you can pay your car note, your house note, whatever you want to do. But 10,000 Caspas, that's what you need. Now look at the number of addresses, because yesterday I showed you the amount there was. Today they jumped up again. Look at number of addresses with more than $1,000, which is approximately 10,000 Caspa. 97,000. We were at 88, I think it was 88 or 92. Now we are 97,000. The two exchanges. Now we have 3 people who has more than 100 million. Okay, so I keep telling you guys, man, these are exchanges. See, we are now 3. There was, for the longest, there was only 2 holding above 100 million dollars worth of Caspa. Now there are 3. They know, somebody knows something. So I'm telling you, they're about to list it. Probably it's going to be Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin. Somebody is about to list one of the tier 1 exchanges is about to list Caspa. Excuse me. Or one of the tier 1 exchanges is about to list Caspa, as you can see. So look at the migration, that's one thing I think they are waiting for. They are waiting for this migration to complete at 100%. We are almost there. Almost there. Like, only 9% left to be completed at 100%. We are 90.17%. So this migration, as soon as it is done, the smart contract is going to get launched on it. Okay. The smart contract gets launched, migration complete, you are going to see one of these tier 1 exchanges, or even all of them. There's about to be a price volatility. Okay, that's why I tell you guys, Caspa will go to $10. Because once this ecosystem starts to grow, you're about to see how everything starts to add up. Stable coins, meme coins, finance coins, ROW, or you call them. They're going to start building up. And I always give you an example. Ethereum before smart contract, it was $15. $15 after smart contract, that thing jumped to what, 1,500 or 2,000? I don't remember the all-time high of 2017. Cardano without smart contract, it was 5 cents, 3 cents. After smart contract, that thing jumped to $3. Now, Caspa is better than Cardano. Caspa is better than Ethereum. There's no way I can even explain it. And another thing, back then when Ethereum started, only a few people knew about cryptocurrencies. Now we have almost everybody and their grandmama know about cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I believe this thing is about to run to $10. It's not going to be a straight line up. Nope. So get ready for that. I'll always give you the calls for the volatility or all that stuff is about to run. Now, people ask me, am I going to hold until $10 or everything? No, it's not like that. I'm honest with you guys, and I'm going to tell you how I play, how I do my play. In every crypto that you really believe in, you should have 2 bags. 2. You should have your short-term bag, and you should have your long-term bag. What do I mean by this? I believe Caspa will go to $10. Okay? Excuse me. Yeah. I believe Caspa will go to $10. So I have me a bag, specific bag, which is going to sit there and wait for $10. Therefore, we will reevaluate the market. How does Caspa look like? Because some things change. How do Caspa look like? Maybe instead of $10, the next bull run, or this instead of a bull run after that, we might have your Caspa at $100. So reevaluate. Do I want to sell it at $10, or do I want to wait for that $100? But you should have 2 bags. My short-term bag, I'm looking at the Bitcoin pie chart. Once Bitcoin hits the all-time high, okay, and the all call markets start to go to their all-time high, I don't care what price Caspa is at that point, I'm going to sell my short-term bag. Okay, you should know that. You should know this strategy because nobody knows where the all-time high is going to be. Nobody knows. But to make money, you have to have an exit strategy. You don't want to sell everything and then Caspa runs to $10 or $20. Then you regret selling everything. So you should have you either step specific price. Let's say Caspa hits 50 cents, you're going to sell this, or Caspa hits $1. Because I wouldn't sell my Caspa anything below $3. I wouldn't do that. But you're supposed to have an exit strategy. Now, putting everything in perspective, I will say it again. Everything happening right now, the ecosystem, the migration, everything happening right now for Caspa is setting it up to get to $10. Do not listen to these guys telling you that, oh, it's only going to get to $2 and that's it. There is no way Caspa is going to just stop at $2. Trust me, there is no way. But again, this is not financial advice. You can do it. I'll do me. Sorry. Excuse me. You can do you. I'll do me. And God bless everybody. Okay? We'll see at the end of the line. We would know who was right and who wasn't right. But this millionaire journey, we're trying to go from zero to a millionaire status. So selling your Caspa at 50 cents or $1 or even $2 is not the game plan. It's not a game plan. Let's just say if you have this leverage trading position open, okay, at $2, close some of your leverage if you need the money. If you really need money for something, close 50% of your leverage and leave the other 50, let it ride up, and keep your spot coins. I'm not telling you what to do, but that's my game plan. I will sell my short-term bag and I'll close 50% of my leverage position. That's what I would do. Okay. Again, Caspa will hit $10. We will come back here and we will talk about this again in the future. But I'm telling you guys, get ready. Everything happening right now is setting up Caspa to that $10 target. Okay. So thank you for checking out my videos for today. Please